Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of making movies and making money using artificial intelligence and ChatGPT. It's like having a whole production crew right at your fingertips, and the possibilities are pretty much endless. We'll be checking out how AI is changing the game in filmmaking, from writing scripts to editing your footage, and even creating some mind-blowing special effects. Let's get started. So how is AI changing the filmmaking game? Well, first off, it can help us create some seriously impressive stuff, even if you're not Spielberg or Nolan. Think about generating realistic three-dimensional models, characters, and environments. That means you don't need a Hollywood-sized budget to build your own worlds. We've also got AI stepping up in animation, making movements smoother and more lifelike. It's pretty awesome, but it doesn't stop there. AI can also help us out big time behind the scenes. Imagine automating tasks like color grading or even composing music. This frees up filmmakers, especially independent creators, to really focus on their story and vision. And let's not forget about the post-production process. AI is making editing faster and more efficient, which is a lifesaver for anyone who's ever spent hours staring at a timeline. Am I right? Now, some people might say, hold on, is AI going to replace filmmakers altogether? And that's a valid question. But honestly, I see it more as a powerful tool to enhance creativity, not replace it. It's like having a super smart assistant who can handle the technical stuff, so you can focus on the art of storytelling. And the best part? A lot of these AI tools are becoming more accessible every day. You don't need a fancy studio to get started. You can experiment and create right from your laptop. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, AI is definitely something you'll want to check out. Okay, let's talk about one of the coolest AI tools out there, ChatGPT. Now, this thing is a game changer for writing, especially if you're working on scripts. Imagine having a brainstorming partner who's always down to bounce ideas around the clock. That's ChatGPT. Need help fleshing out a character's backstory? ChatGPT can help you with that. Stuck on a plot point and need a fresh perspective? ChatGPT's got your back. You can even feed it some basic prompts like the genre or a brief outline, and it can help you generate dialogue, scenes, or even a whole script draft. I know it sounds crazy, right? But here's the thing, ChatGPT is a tool, and just like any tool, it needs a skilled craftsman to wield it effectively. Think of it as a writing partner, not a replacement for your own creativity. You bring the ideas, the vision, and the unique voice, and ChatGPT can help you shape those into a compelling narrative. And the cool thing is, you can iterate with ChatGPT. Try different prompts, experiment with different writing styles, and see what works best for your story. It's all about exploring the possibilities and finding ways to make the technology work for you. So if you're feeling stuck or just want to explore new creative avenues, give ChatGPT a shot. You might be surprised at what you can achieve together. All right, we've talked about writing, but AI is also making waves in video editing and special effects. For real, AI is like having a whole post-production team at your beck and call, ready to tackle those tedious tasks that used to take forever. Imagine this. You're editing a scene and you want to cut between different camera angles. AI can analyze the footage and automatically sync up those shots for you, saving you tons of time. It's like magic, but with algorithms. And speaking of magic, let's talk about special effects. AI is making it possible to create stunning visual effects that would have been impossible or incredibly expensive before. We're talking about things like realistic CGI characters, seamless object removal, and even generating entire scenes from scratch. That means you can let your imagination run wild without breaking the bank. But it's not just about the flashy stuff. AI is also great for enhancing the overall quality of your videos. Think about things like upscaling resolution, reducing noise, and even color grading. These might sound like technical details, but they can make a huge difference in the final look and feel of your film. So whether you're a pro editor or just starting out, don't be afraid to experiment with AI-powered editing tools. You might be surprised at how much easier and more fun they can make the post-production process. Let's get real for a second. Creating films is awesome, but wouldn't it be even better if you could make some money from your hard work? The good news is that there are more ways than ever to monetize your AI-assisted films, and I'm here to break it down for you. First up, we've got the world of streaming platforms. These platforms are constantly hungry for fresh content, and that includes films made with the help of AI. You can explore options like uploading your film to platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or even niche streaming services that cater to specific genres. And guess what? You can even generate revenue from ads. Platforms like YouTube allow you to monetize your videos by running ads. And as your audience grows, so does your earning potential. It's a great way to earn passive income from your creative work. But wait, there's more. Sponsorships and brand deals are another avenue you can explore. As your films gain traction, you might find brands interested in partnering with you to reach your audience. This could involve product placements, sponsored segments, or even creating branded content. The key here is to be strategic and understand your audience. What kind of brands would resonate with the people who enjoy your films? Once you figure that out, you can start reaching out to potential sponsors and pitch your ideas. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the basics of AI in filmmaking to monetization strategies. Now I want to leave you with some practical tips for using AI tools effectively. First things first, don't be afraid to experiment. The world of AI is constantly evolving, with new tools and updates popping up all the time. Don't be afraid to try out different software, play around with settings, and see what works best for you. Next, remember that AI is a tool, not a crutch. Use it to enhance your creative vision, not replace it entirely. Your unique perspective and storytelling abilities are what will truly make your films stand out. And here's a pro tip. Focus on learning the fundamentals of filmmaking. AI can help with certain tasks, but having a solid understanding of things like composition, lighting, and storytelling will elevate your work to the next level. Lastly, don't be afraid to collaborate. Connect with other filmmakers, share your experiences, and learn from each other. The filmmaking community is full of passionate individuals who are always willing to help each other out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the latest in technology and filmmaking. We're exploring the cutting edge of creativity, and I can't wait to see what we discover together. See you next time.